Hello, my babies. Let's cook these stuffed bell peppers. Let's see how they turn out. Isn't this so beautiful, you guys? Like, how can you resist plants? Oh my god. I gotta go find this plant. This one particular. I'm looking for this lucky bell. Hello. So you guys, I finally made it home. Why am I so tired? I'm like super tired. I've been sitting out here in my car now for like 30 minutes. Tired. Sleepy. Alright, you guys, so I am finally home for today. I took out some sausage stuffed peppers before I left. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven and stick them in this aluminum foil pan that I already sprayed with the oil, the spam or whatever, and go ahead and cook these little sausages or whatever, and probably some rice, something quick and easy again. You guys, so I've seasoned my peppers. I have the stove preheating. What I think I'm gonna do once they're done cooking, I'm gonna put some tomato, garlic, onion sauce on top of them. Well, y'all know my heavy ass with the garlic up in the cabinet. I'm gonna put some more garlic on it. And I forgot to get shredded cheese, so I may use like a couple of provolone white cheese blocks that I have. Put that on top of it. But yeah, this is what I have planned so far. Truthfully, honestly, I'm a little bit tired today. I'm gonna let the oven preheat. Close this refrigerator. I'm a little bit tired. I guess I've been sort of like working a lot or whatever. Not even working, but I work out. I constantly make videos, post them, and do all this extra shit. So I am tired. Look at me. Yes, honey. I am tired though. Truthfully and honestly, like I'm not even lying. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Yeah, I'm talking in the mirror. I'm gonna do that and just chill out the rest of the day, clean up my bed, and and that's it, y'all. Yeah, this is what I loved one the most. Being at home on my couch, stretched out, talking to my babies, talking to my mama babies, talking to my plants, and chilling. This is what I was rushing to come back home to lay down. I love laying down. Y'all, these things look so good. Y'all poured some the rice that I had yesterday. I put it right there. This how lazy I am. Yeah, I'm tired for real. I'm gonna put some cheese on top of her. Oh, these things gonna be jump, chickity jump. Yeah. Stop playing with me. And I just put them okras with the bell peppers, the frozen ones, on top of that rice right now. I'm gonna let that melt out, thaw out in the oven, and I'm gonna put this sauce on top of it. Man, okay, so I've put the sauce on there. I'm gonna go ahead and push it back in the oven. This sauce actually good. Back up there. And there we have it. I love fake plants. I'm gonna change the top. Cut it up a little bit though. Right on. My black beans, my stuffed peppers with the rice, the broccoli, the okra, and the tomatoes. So good. rice, broccoli, okra, red beans, stuffed bell pepper with the basil, the tomato paste, and meat, sausage stuff.